Hey, fellow gamers. Did you know that gaming companies are eager to hear what you think? And they're willing to pay for it. I'm here to tell you about an awesome opportunity to turn your gaming passion into some extra cash. Let's dive in. Gaming Jobs Online. It's a platform where you can get paid for doing what you love, playing games. But it's not just about playing, it's about sharing your valuable opinions with gaming companies. You can test video games right from the comfort of your home. Participate in online play sessions and connect with fellow gamers. Be a part of exclusive focus groups and have your say in shaping the future of gaming. Take quick and fun online game surveys. Even test and review mobile games and apps. I've personally tried it out and had a blast. Not only do you get to play awesome games, but you also get paid for it. It's a win-win. It's super easy to get started. Just head over to Gaming Jobs Online and sign up. Once you're in, you'll have access to a wide range of gaming opportunities. So if you're looking to make some extra cash while doing what you love, Gaming Jobs Online is your ticket to fun and easy money. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Check out the link in the description below to get started. Happy gaming and happy earning.